A queen-size bed.
Ooh, why don't they just make every seat a bed?
Bro, instead of 3 seats side by side, just put a bunk bed with 3 beds.
Good morning. That was really good sleep.
Carl, wake up, we're gonna land.
I slept like a rock.
That was the world's most expensive commercial flight. Time for private flights.